Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you awesome people doing today? I am here with another Creative Memories haul. Not sure when this is going to be posted, but hope everybody's having a wonderful spring break. Good Friday. I'm not sure it's Good Friday today, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get it up for another week because I'm leaving out on vacation. Well, not vacation. It's work related to Florida for a conference, but it's going to be vacation as well. So anyway, real quick, I'm going to get this filmed so I can get some of this stuff put away so when I come back home I won't have so much stuff out. But show you what I got. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you need a Creative Memories consultant, I'm your girl. The links below with all the website and the links below to these items. Love the products, and I will show you what I got. So these are the fill and file sleeves, and these are 2.5 by 12, and these are just sleeves that you can put into the binder. They have a fill and file binder that you can put it in. It has other sizes, 12 by 12, the 2.5 by 12, and the 6 by 12, but these are for borders, so you can put up to 4 borders on each side and on the back. So I got 2 packs of those because I use this to hold my borders for my border punches when I punch them out. I store my borders there. I'm just trying to make room. So they had a promotion this month, and I will show you that in just a second. I'll move some stuff out the way. And it was, they're doing this quarterly. They're having packs of paper, and when you buy packs of paper, you can get different items, stickers and stuff. You can get another free pack of paper to go along with that. So first I'm going to show this, which is only for advisors, and I'm an advisor. It's a special pack of paper that we can get, and they also have the stickers to go along with it. So if you're teaching a class or doing something like that, you can use that. So this is a 6-pack of paper, double-sided, 12 by 12. And I'm going to go through hopefully kind of quickly. But if you have any questions about anything, definitely email me below. So you get 2 of these, and this is what it looks like. And I don't know about the lighting in here. It's the middle of the day. Nice spring floral. Nice pretty colors with your greens and your taupes and your oranges, splatters, and your nice check. Again, you get 2 of these. And then it says things like thankful memories, blessed, joy, love, life. Some nice positive words there. And then that comes along with the Fresh Memory Sticker Pack, which has 5 sets of stickers in here. They all repeat the same. And again, this is just for advisors if they're teaching a class or do some demos, so make some products and stuff, they can do that. So that's why it's 5 sets of those. But of course, you can buy more paper pads as well with this. So that's a promotional just for advisors. So that's one of the perks that they have. And then this, back to the promo. This is the Totally Tonal color collection. So it's 4 hues that comes in this collection, and I showed the last time it was the colors. It was the bold colors, the blue, the red, the green, and the orange, I think it was. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you the blues, and I like these hues. So and again, in each one of these packs, you're gonna get 6 sheets, double-sided, and it's 1 of each. It's like a tie-dye to me. These like some just, you know, some hash marks, splash marks, or there's like a nice diamond-like Indian tribal print. Various circles, like you would see in mixed media. It looks like fabric. It's like cobblestone. And your dots. It's got some floral leaves here. Look like some printing of leaves. And then you have the leaves on the back, the Swiss dots, and some more of the leaves, more in view versus muted. So that's the blue. And then also comes, if you want to, separately, but you can also get the sticker pack. I always get the sticker packs to go along with it. And the stickers are 12 by 12, 3 border sheets, so you can make some borders. So 1, 2, 3, you have 3 sets each. So you have 9 sets of borders, 2 each. That's 18 borders. And then we can move on to the Tonal Sepia Hues. Somewhat similar but different. Some of them are different, some of them similar. And again, there's that same print in brown, different type of circles. Sorry about the lighting. I like that print. Reminds me like a hut, like the roofing of a hut. Some little triangles. It looks like almost like a snowman face if you look at it close with the 2 dots. Some more of those circles. Dots. Like cobblestone and brown. Different type of fabric print. Some stripes. And that leaf. So some of the patterns are similar, as you can see. And some are different. I'm trying to go fast. And here's the Sepia stickers, borders. You can make borders, and these look really great when you combine them with your punches and your border maker cartridge system, and it helps do a page really quickly. And I don't know about you guys, but I am so far behind on my scrapbooking. And I'm like, I've got to catch up. That's why I do like the punches, and the border maker system really helps make those things go faster. So this is the greens. The totally tonal green hues. Look at that. That ombre effect. Nice. That cobblestone. Kind of reminds you like of a barbed wire. That hut look, or books, or hash marks, tally marks. Another print. Those dots, so we've seen those dots in all of them. I really like geometric shapes and designs. I like this because it looks like the leaves are falling or being blown up. Here's another version of those leaves across the whole page. I said leaves, could be considered leaf shape or whatever. Another stripe. And if you look at this, this is arrows up close. I don't know if you can see that. And then that floral again. And here's the stickers that go along with that. Of course, I won't be crafting when I'm out of town. I will be eating though. I will be doing that. And plenty of that. And some sightseeing, so I'm really looking forward to doing some of that. The hotel is in a good location, so I'm excited to see what we'll be doing there. So again, and this is the neutrals. You got your circles, so that's like a gray or sandstone color with the stripes. Nice little fine, like concrete. That's what that reminds me of, over your counter. And then these like look like 2 semicircles, or it could be a circle with a line down it. Kind of reminds me of a coffee bean, except they're perfectly round. It's got little marks in the side of it. Oh, I love this one. This one I think is my favorite. I love that. Got a fabric feel. I like that one too. So to have an ombre effect on that one. I just like geometric. These are my fave. Dots, marks. This one has been in every print. And those florals. And then the stickers to go along with that. We have these sets of stickers. And then as a freebie, for getting that, you can get any combination of the papers and or stickers, however you want to. If it was a total 8, you end up getting this free set of papers and a free set of stickers. And they had this in the last promotion, very similar to the same thing. They gave you a free pack of paper and 6 sheets, double-sided. And what's unique about these is that on the other side they have cut patterns, and when you cut them up, it kind of helps you make your layout design. So this is the design part, and then you cut it up, and they have the layouts to show you how to lay these on your page to create layouts. So to help you make a layout real quickly. And of course you can match any of these papers together from these color combinations. And I've had the time, I just now have had the mojo to do any of my stuff lately. But hopefully, maybe my trip to Florida will help me get over that. And so each design with the lines in the back, you have 2 sets of the same line so that you can make a two-page spread. And then it comes with the stickers to go along with it. Prismatic 2, because this is the second one for the season. Has some border stickers. 2 sets of border stickers, the colors to match. And then some sentiments. Be happy, the best day, smile, joy, smile. It doesn't get better than this. Everyday life, let the good times roll. Joy, love, laugh. Mermaids in the making, blessed. It's the little things. So in addition to the paper, I love these. This is one of my faves, and these are the recipe templates. These are multi-purposed, multifunctional, and reusable. And these are 12 by 12 reusable Mylar stencils. I love stencils because I'm not a freehand artist or anything, so I like stencils. And this one is called the Circle Lattice. And as you see here, this is what it looks like on the back. They make scrapbooking easy and fun when you're trying to find a different shape, design, layout. Excuse me. And there are so many circles in here, squares, triangles. You have to look for the shapes, and you can highlight whatever ones you want. So they show you real quickly, like this particular one, they did the edge, and they made a diamond. But you could have easily focused on all of these circles, the 4 sections of the circles, the diamond in the middle, the squish diamond in the middle of the circles. It's totally up to you. Here's another one that you could have looked at just the circles there. Here's one of the circles with an outer circle around it, like in this one. So there's so many ways to use these, and depending on the particular stencil, some of them, as you turn them around, different, you know, every time you rotate it 90 degrees, you get a different look, or even when you flip it over. So it just depends if it's symmetrical or not. It's the look that you get. But I like them. You don't just have to use these for scrapbook. These can be used in your mixed media projects. So that's why I love these. You can use them for so many things, to trace and cut out the paper. You can use them to ink through them. You can use them to plaster through them. You can do a lot of things. You can trace them. So anything that you do with any other stencil, you can do with these stencils. So, and then the same thing with your other stencils that you may have. You can use them in paper crafting as well. A lot of people don't think about mixing them up and doing that, but I do love these. And yeah, they sell out fast. And so I did get some punches because I am a tool girl. No, I don't need any punches, but I do like my tools. So I got the Wildflowers and the Field Fence decorative border punches, and I will show you cutouts of those. And then I got the Oak Tree Punch, and then I got the Flourish Vine, and this is the border maker cartridge, and you have to have the border maker system to go along with that. So real quick, this is the tree, the oak tree, but also could look like a piece of broccoli, different things like that as well. So here it is, punched out. And of course, I like the fact that these close, you have your lock on the side, so it makes it easier to store. This fence, I've seen so many different ways already, and this just came out of how people are using this fence. They made it into lanterns, they made it into like mosaics, so all different types of things that you can use with this. You can cut off pieces of it, the ends of it, like I said, to make trellis, to make a different type fence, all kinds of stuff. So you don't have to stay with your border punches to look just one way. But I will show you what that looks like cut out. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to show you the different stuff. Maybe I'll do it in a separate video, but that is how that looks like, and that looks good on a piece of paper, on a layout. You know, you can use your other punches, like your horse punch or different things to put in the background, all kinds of stuff. And then we have, which one we didn't do? Okay, the Flourish Vine. And again, this goes with the border maker system. So that is that cartridge right there. You have to have the, like I said, the system to put it in, but this is what that prints out, so you have a nice edge on your paper. And these sell out too. And the border maker system is so versatile, and it's been around forever. I believe they were the original border maker system with their punches. And then the last one, last but not least, it is the Wildflowers, and here is the Wildflower cut out. Again, you can do a lot with that as well. You don't always just have to punch this way. You can punch around and make a whole circle or square with these border punches as well. So that is my haul. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. If you have any questions about any of these products, if you'd like to see something used in a layout or a different paper product, or just, you know, demonstrate it, let me know. I don't mind doing that as well. But I want to tell you guys thank you so much for stopping by. Wish you guys the best, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless.